Yo guys, what's up? It's Alex from GMG Studio. Today I will show you something really cool. I saw it on YouTube. It was a post from CodeMonkey. Thank you, CodeMonkey. It's about making your log message colorful. As you can see, this is a blue log message, and this is actually really cool. I think, why not? So I will show it to you. We have to write Debug.Log, and then we have to add our message. But before our message, we have to write color. And we want to give it a color, and we need a hash of the color. So I will take this hash, and then we will add our message. As you can see, this will be a green log message, and then we have to close the color again. And yes, this is basically it. This is everything you need to make a colorful log message. And oh, I forgot a semicolon. Let's add it. And now you can see that it works. This is a green log message. But now let's take it to a different level. Let's level it up. We make a new script and we will call it custom debug because we want to make our own debug. And first of all, we want to delete the start and update methods because we don't need them. Then we want to add an enum that is called debug color, and we want to add some cases. So red, purple, yellow, whatever we want. Green, blue, mint, and emerald green. I think these are pretty cool colors. It's a good showcase, so we will use them. And of course, we need some hashes for these colors. And you can add as many colors as you want. Feel totally free. Now we want to delete the mono behavior because we don't need it, and we have to make the class static because it's prettier. So we want to make a public static void log and give it a string message and a debug color. Then we want to store the color in a variable because we need a hash. String log color equals empty string. And we need a private string get hash value, and we have to give it a debug color, and we have to switch over colors. So we write switch color, and in the case debug color dot red. Let's return the hash E8 4A5F and add a semicolon. And the same thing for debug color dot purple. Because this would take forever, I will just copy it from my hashes I already have. I will add the hashes in the description so you can take them if you want, and it won't take forever. Now let's continue. And now we can write string log color equal get hash value. Oh, we need to make the private string to a private static string because our log is static as well. So we can write get hash value and give it a debug color. So the color which is given into the log method. And then we write debug.log. We want to add a dollar symbol because we will use string interpolation. And then we have to write same thing as we did with color equal, and then we will add the log color with a string interpolation and the message with a string interpolation as well. And of course we have to close the color again. And we need a semicolon. I won't forget it this time. And guys, this is basically it. We leveled it up and made our own debug, our custom debug with colors. Now let's test it. Write custom debug.log. This is an important log, and let's give it the debug color red. Now I will write logs for everything and I will just speed it up. Guys, if you enjoy videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's free, and write a comment and help us to reach 200 subscribers. This would be awesome. I really appreciate it. And let's write some more logs so we can see it later. If everything works fine. And as I told you, you can add as many colors as you want. Now let's test it if everything works fine. And yes, everything worked fine. I think this is pretty cool. This is so much fun to read logs that have color. Guys, I hope the video was helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. We will try to help. And this is it. See you in the next video.
Like the video if you liked the video, dislike the video if you disliked the video, subscribe if you want to be notified on our future content. We are also on Instagram and Facebook. Feel free to follow us there as well. And have a great day. Start creating, stop consuming.